Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set pattern lock in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to set pattern lock in iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set pattern lock one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you want to set pattern lock, you want to unlock your iqoo mobile with pattern lock. So friends, now let's see how to unlock iqoo mobile with pattern lock. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here, open your phone password and security setting. So friends, you want to unlock your iqoo mobile with pattern lock password. So friends, now let's see how to unlock iqoo mobile with pattern lock password. Friends, open your phone device security setting, screen lock setting, pattern lock, pin lock and complex password you want to use, so you can use. So friends, I will click here pattern lock setting, and friends, I will draw pattern for lock screen. And friends, remember your pattern password. Okay, if you forget your pattern password, your phone will not unlock. And friends, if you use 3 dot pattern, so you cannot use 3 dot pattern in your iqoo mobile. Cannot at least 4 dots, try again. So when 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you can use it. So friends, I will use 4 dots pattern confirm. After confirm friends, click at done option. Now friends, you can start fingerprint lock and you can start face lock in your iqoo mobile. Off your screen and you want to unlock iqoo mobile, so you can unlock iqoo mobile with pattern lock. Draw pattern, phone will unlock. Like that friends, you can use pattern lock setting, you can set pattern lock in iqoo mobile. And you want to change your pattern lock, so friends, again open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your device security setting, open your device screen lock setting, draw pattern. Friends, again click here pattern lock, you can draw new pattern and you can unlock your iqoo mobile with new pattern. Next option, remember your pattern. If you forget your pattern, you will have to erase all data off your screen. So friends, now you want to unlock your iqoo mobile, you can unlock your iqoo mobile with new pattern. If you draw old pattern, wrong pattern, your phone will not unlock. Draw new pattern, phone will unlock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set a pattern lock, how to use pattern lock setting in iqoo mobile. And friends, if you click a swipe option, your lock screen pattern will remove and you cannot unlock iqoo mobile with pattern lock. If you click a remove option, your pattern lock will remove. You can unlock your phone without pattern lock. Swipe here, phone will unlock. Bye.